Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 won't recognize wired headphones. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot. Click Run under Audio. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Microphone. Turn on microphone access. Turn on Let apps access your microphone. Turn on Let desktop apps access your microphone. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Sound Settings. Select Headphone, click Set Default, click Properties. Change to Maximum, click Enhancements tab. Check Disable all enhancements. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand sound, video and game controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand sound, video and game controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Sixth method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.